got what we are going to cover in FSCM. Okay. So these are our topics, units. In this, we are also adding treasury management also apart from all these topics, and TRM is also part of FSCM. We are also taking TRM, and I'm also taking in-house cash management. This is also important concept nowadays. In all the projects, most of the financial companies are using this in-house cash management also we are learning in addition to these topics. Right? In the first unit, financial supply chain management, we are just learning the overview. What is the meaning and what is the purpose of financial supply chain management for any organization in SAP, and credit management, biller directory, dispute management, collection management, TRM, and in-house cash management. All these units we are going to learn. So the main objectives of the course is at the conclusion of the course, we will be able to explain the features and benefits of SAP FSCM and SAP FSCM components, that is credit management, biller directory, dispute management, and collection management. All these we can able to understand, and we can describe the functions and architecture options in SAP and integration options with the other modules with these FSCM components, and we can able to describe how an organization can actually implement these FSCM components in its sales order processing. How an organization can actually implement these FSCM components in its sales order processing and apply the basic steps of FSCM components listed above. All this you can able to understand after the course. So in the first unit, we are just having an overview, financial supply chain management topics. From this unit, we are describing definition and components of financial supply chain and optimization of potential in the financial supply chain as starting point for the financial supply chain management, and introduction of FSCM, different FSCM components as a solution set for supporting and implementation of financial supply chain management within an organization, and the definition of the course content. So all these things we are going to define. When it comes to definition of financial supply chain management, why this particular module is required, what we are going to do in this module, we are going to discuss. So financial supply chain management is designed to optimize the financial supply chain with the aim of maximizing and retaining the long-term profits. Maximizing, retaining the long-term profits for your organization. So this FSCM is therefore an integrated approach to increasing the transparency, control, supervision of all processes linked to the flow of capital. Increasing the transparency, control, and supervision of all processes linked to the flow of capital. The result of which, the reduction of working capital, increasing cash flow projection, and reduction of process cost, inflow and outflow. So total analysis we are doing relevant to your capital investment and working capital and cash flow projections. How it will affect your company. In what way we can optimize your profits. So in the long term, it will be useful. It's a total flow, total process we are doing in FSCM. It includes the different components. The FSCM module includes the different components. Credit management, builder directory and builder consolidator, dispute management with your customer, collection management of your customer, in-house cash management, how we can manage our in-house cash. In this in-house cash, we are learning the transfers between banks, when we are paying SIPs, how we can pay, and treasury and risk management, money market, treasury and risk management will comes in your securities, cash and liquidity management, how to manage your organizations, cash and liquidity management. All these components we are learning, all these are part of your FSCM module. All these we are going to learn. So we started from all this cash projection we are doing. We are calculating the working capital. We are analyzing the management market risk and management credit risks. It also includes invoicing, collection, dispute cases with your customers and payments from your customers. So all these are interrelated with this all the components. These are components of your FSCM. And if you know the basics of FI module, then only we will understand this FSCM. We should know the basic organization structure. We are going to create those basic organization structure also, whatever relevant for FI module. We are going to learn. After that only we can do this simplifying assignment. So the solution is the set of SAP FSCM as part of my SAP ERP, consisting of different FSCM components, which can be used to optimize the financial supply chain, either independently of one another or in combination with one another. Each component can be used to optimize your financial supply chain, either independently of one another or in combination with one another. So out of these components, what is this credit management? So this credit management provides tools to evaluate the credit worthiness of your customers using internal rating policies and external credit data, and enables quick and consistent credit decisions. And enables quick and consistent credit decisions. You can give ratings for all your customers depends on their history, track record, and credit worthiness of your customers. In this component, an organization can use this credit management to reduce delays in payments, non-payments, and process cost, as well as to improve relations with their top customers. This is totally the customer.
Upendar, I have a question. Can I ask you?
Yeah.
Yeah. My question is: are you in this course? Are you going to cover the cash management? The short-term and the long-term cash flow projections, and obviously,
Yes, obviously.
this is one.
In-house cash management, liquidity and forecasting will be there. That is also part of FSCM.
Yeah, exactly. And the other question that I have is about the fund management. Are you going to
Yes,
cover
yes,
the funds management?
yes, yes. That is also part of our content only. Cash management and fund management is part of our content.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we are going to learn how how to configure the cash management projections in the system.
Yes, yes. Everything with configuration only we are there now. That is also part of our content. You can go through. I will show you the content also at the end.
Okay. Okay. The third thing is that about the certification. When we finish this, what is the certification exam that will be available that we could show to the market that this is what we have done?
Yes, definitely. Yes. I will.
You will be sharing it with us?
All the certification material also we are having with us. With this, you can easily clear your certification also.
Okay. All right.
So this is the content. In this content, we are having liquidity and forecasting all business partner settings. And scroll down, you will get here fund management. This is also part of our content. And we are having the material just like as how FSCM, FICO material we have prepared. Here also we are having a material like this. So you need to fill these blanks whenever we are taking the classes.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Like that how FSCM material was there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have prepared material like this
Yeah.
that I
Yeah.
will
Thank
share
you.
to you later.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, what is credit management? We have discussed now. Just a definition. What we are going to do. This is related to total payments or maintaining your customer history. How to evaluate your customer and how to maintain a customer relation with it to improve the customer relation with this component. And in case of builder director means allows you to issue a bill electronically. Builder directory allows you to issue a bill electronically, which is sent to the customer by a link to a server provided by the builder. So this builder directory allows you to issue a bill electronically, which is sent to the customer by a link to a server provided by the builder or by attaching the bill directly as an email attachment, just like our electronic bank statements. So SAP Builder Directory provides the customer with a website which the customer then uses to obtain an overview of the payables due to the biller, download the billing data, or make payments online. So what is the open items? What is the paid bills? What is the credit payments? Just like how we are paying payments through our website portals for purchasing something, how much due Amazon, Flipkart we are using it. So here also this biller directory provides the customer how to pay amounts online to your organization. So this is related to biller directory. The biller sends bill electronically to the biller consolidator, which then converts the format as a necessary and posts the bills the appropriate value added tax to the relevant customer. It's like how we are doing all online payments. Here the biller directly sends the biller sends the bills electronically to the biller consolidator, which then converts the format as necessary and posts the bills with the appropriate value added tax to the relevant customer. The bill issued to the customer's ERP system are displayed in a portal. So what they are using, if the customer is also having B2B or B2 customer, business to business, business to customer scenario, and issuing the bill to commercial customer CRM system allows the customer to optimize the bill receipt process. If it is a B2B, then it will allows to optimize your bill receipt process relating that automatic entry of billing data, automatic comparison of invoice and purchase order, and automatic postings. For this biller directory, so there are more configuration is required from technical part. So as a functional consultant, we will do our job, but for do for doing this all this configuration, the technical part also required. So already established thing only we are going to learn. So most of the 50% work will be technical work only. Whatever related to FSCM job that we are going to learn here. And another topic is another component is collection management. So this SAP collections management allows you to evaluate, identify, split cost components, and prioritize accounts from a risk management and customer relations point of view. Furthermore, it supports proactive processing of receivables and enables process optimization and optimization for large numbers of open items. It supports proactive processing of receivables and enables process optimization and automation for large numbers of open items. Manages customer specific receivables by identifying, prioritizing, and evaluating your customer accounts and processing receivables proactively and optimizing processes and automating large volumes of open items. In any print, there may be hundreds of thousands of invoices which should be showing as open item, and we're optimizing the process and automating the large volume of open items in this collection management. How you can streamline the total process that we are learning here in this collection management. And this dispute management. What is this dispute management then? So this dispute management allows you to resolve disagreements between the vendor and customer quickly and efficiently. Quickly and efficiently. If there is any disagreement, if there is any conflict, any dispute. So taking into account the customer's existing financial obligations, we'll try to resolve quickly and efficiently. It allows you to analyze the problem and the reasons of outstanding amount and provides a starting point of an organization to establish a quality management concept, and it reduces DSO and increase customer satisfaction. Okay. So debt related ratios. It increases customer profitability and it decreases this DSO by recognizing problems in payment cycle at an early stage and monitoring factors that influence these debt service related and decreasing price reductions and underpayments, all these related. If there is any conflict, simply you can say if there is any conflict between your customers and vendors with you, all those issues we can do this optimization. We can analyze based on the financial obligations. We can do everything analysis we are doing here in dispute management. So in this FSCM course scenario, so business partner. related to business partner only. All this we are going to do. Organization processing the order to cash. So whenever we are getting a customer order, we have created a customer order. It is nothing but sales order. So after this, invoice or payments, it creates electronic invoice processes and payments. If there is any complaints, it will consider. It clarifies the complaints, communicates the problem, and later, so the communications from the receivables, process proactive receivables, nothing but AR accounts receivable we are doing here. After that, if customer pays, then we will update the process. So we are streamlining, we are processing all this order to cash scenario only. So in this, in how your FSCM will be using, that we are going to learn. In different areas, the different FSCM components we are using. So that is, whenever we are creating a customer order, we are going for credit management, we are using biller directory and dispute management and collection management. So all these components we are using. So this is in depth. So most of the things we know from FISD point of view, but for a specific customer wise, how we can streamline the process with the help of FSCM. So this is just like in total R by 3. There are in SAP we can say, so standard functionalities are there. Whatever the core modules we call it as a FI, FICO, SDMN here. That is a standard functionalities SAP has released. So as per your business scenarios. But this FSCM, this is just like an enhancement. Okay, so to your business process. So where the SAP is helping to analyze in detail. This is as a enhancements. So as a enhancements means the core functionality will work. Core functionality will work with the SAP standard procedure only, but this enhancement will work with BAdIs. So means business extensions are there. So the business extensions we need to activate in SAP system. Right? So those business extensions was added in this PHP after PHP 5 and 6. These business additional extensions. So that is activated from AHP 1 onwards, but it was released in AHP 5 and 6 only, but it is retrospective effect, it will be added to all the things. Few additional add-ons is there. This is just like enhancement to your regular core modules by FSCM we can say. So this is the integration with SAP Sales and Services, SAP Financials and SAP Analytics. Right? This is process we are going to do. And this SAP FSCM components like credit management, biller directory, and dispute and collections management, which are dealt with in this course, are represented in the following scenarios only. Private one to customer to B2C only we are doing, B2B not possible. So when you create a sales order for a customer in SAP SD module, right? Here the customer's credit worthiness is checked online using the credit management. Subsequently, the order is processed and released. Depends on your customer credit worthiness only. The customer sales order will be released in SAP. So sales therefore, if there is any block set by SAP credit management, the sales order will not be processed. That is entirely depends on your customer credit worthiness only. So the sales order is then invoiced electronically using the biller director, and payments and complaints are entered by the customer using SAP Biller Direct, are processed using the integrated SAP Financials Accounting and SAP Dispute Management. This is the process I am explaining. First, the sales order was created. Later, it checked the creditworthiness. Later, depends on the creditworthiness, it releases the sales order. So after that, we are now going for the next one. Here, so when the order is invoiced electronically using the biller director, payments and complaints entered by the customer, if any, using this builder director are processed through integrated SAP financial accounting and dispute management. It is the integration between dispute management component and FI. So SAP dispute management is used to clarify customer problems that have been entered using the SAP builder directory. And SAP collections management is used to active communication regarding the overdue receivables that resulted from the sales order. This is related to collection management. The receivables for the sales order is then cleared. Means once you customer paid the amount, then it will be clear. This is an overview what we are going to learn in FSCM first unit. So in detail, again the credit management, right? We are going to discuss here. All these things is related to credit management. And next one is builder directory. So all these things is related to builder directory. And next one is dispute management. Like this, all these units we are going to collection management. So just an overview what we are going to learn. Right? So in detail, whenever we are taking that particular topic, we will discuss. So I will just go through the content what we are covering. So this is the content we are covering. This includes treasury also. Treasury. So in-house cash was not added here, but I'm going to take up that in-house cash also. In-house cash also important. The latest one, even in Simple Finance also, this SB400 also, the major changes in in-house cash management. So many customers are using in-house cash management facility also. So we need to learn the in-house cash management also. That is also part of FSCM. So whatever there in your FSCM path, if you observe, financial separation. All these are different components under FSCM. In-house cash also part of FSCM. Treasury also part of FSCM. Debt recovery management is also part of this. Dispute management, credit management, builder directory, billing consolidation. All this part of FSCM only. So we are trying to learn most of the content. In-house I will try to take up. Bank communication management is also there. So that is also we are learning. So we'll try to learn in detail for other topics. So we don't have full material like this. So just like how we are having website. So in between I am trying to update the material during the training only. So but most of the cases 50% we are having this FSCM material like this. And as usual, so how we are giving the recordings for FI module, CO module, other modules. So here also I will upload the videos here after every session. You can view a number of times for a particular period. It's not downloadable, right? It's the content we are going to cover. So the total duration will take minimum 3 months, and 3 months it will take minimum. So it may extend also based on the content we are going to learn. It may extend also. Minimum it will take 3 months time. Right? So this is the content again I am maintaining Excel sheet. This is also I will forward you. So topic wise we are maintaining what we are going to learn here is FSCM. So this is a finance module. To learn FSCM we need basic structure of your FI module. Under pay structure we need to put global settings. So GL accounts for treasury and house banks we need to create. For that we need this master data and account determination. So we are going to create the basic organization structure from FI also, which is required to learn this FSCM. Right? So these are other topics we are going to take. So credit management. So topic wise we are going to take up like this. General explanation is the topics we are going to learn, and these are subtopics. And so business partner functionality, what we are going to do, and finally we will do the reports. Like this, the topic wise we are prepared. Under collection management, these are topics we are going to learn. And under dispute management, these are the topics we are going to learn. Next one, under builder directory, the topics we are going to learn. And treasury, the treasury management related topics. All these are treasury. Later, no, Vim is entirely different, right? Vendor invoice management is entirely different. Vim is entirely different. We are not covering that one. Inhouse cash management, cash and liquidity, consolidation of TR. There are things we are going to discuss. So from tomorrow onwards, today I am not taking full course. From tomorrow onwards, I will send this material. You can take a printout. Instead of starting from that credit management, I will start from cash management. And first, we will start with cash management and treasury. Cash and treasury I will take initially, because for that we are having material. After this cash and treasury only, we are going to take up other topics. So I will send this material all of you, so that will be uploaded in resume. First I will take up cash management and treasury and risk management. Later we will go back to that at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. IST to 7 a.m. Daily this time only. Monday to Friday, 6